White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 25. In chapter number 24, we saw that Daisy suggested a name Angel for the calf dolphin. She suggested this name as the bird lady, Miss Penluna, claimed that dolphins are angels. In chapter number 25, Carol also suggested that the calf dolphin should be given a name, as he tells Kara that newspapers, TV, and some environmental groups want to see the calf dolphin. Carol also tells Kara that he wants to hold a press conference, and for this purpose he had talked to Town Hall, but they have refused to give their hall for the press conference, as Doggy Evans is the member of Town Hall committee. Kara dislikes the idea of making the calf a showpiece, but Carol suggests that this can be a best opportunity to teach people the dangers sea life is facing. Felix suggests that we can use websites, social media, networking sites, blogs, and Twitter to teach people to save reef and sea life. He also suggests that we can get an online petition for people to sign to stop the dredging of the reef. Felix's dad, by the time, realizes that children are late from school. In previous chapter, we came to know that Daisy and Kara, instead of going to school, they went directly to the blue pool where Felix and his dad were already present. Now, Felix's dad offers to drop children to school. When Kara and Felix reach school, by that time, both are late from school. Felix goes to his classroom, but Kara, instead of going to classroom, slips into the playground and sleeps there, leaning by a tree. Felix comes looking for her and tells her that Mrs. Carter wants to see us both. Kara and Felix go to meet Mrs. Carter in her room, where Chloe, Ella, and some other students were already seated. Kara wonders what they were doing there. Mrs. Carter appreciates Kara for saving the calf dolphin and tells Kara that whole school wants to work for the cause of calf dolphin. Kara refuses to accept any help, but Mrs. Carter tells her that school has decided to offer their hall to Carol for press conference, where press, politicians, and trawler men will be invited. She also asserts Kara that all of them are against lifting of the dredging ban and that they all want to protect the bay. So that was all about the summary of chapter number 25. Now we are going to do some question answers from chapter number 25. The first question is, do you think putting a petition on the social media will work and the ban will not be lifted? What you would have done if you had been at the place of Kara? Would you have agreed to Felix's idea of signing the petition? Well, the answer of this question is opinion based. Answer will depend from student to student. Students may agree with it and they may not agree. So the next question is, do matters highlighted on media gain public attention? It's students' opinion and they definitely do. So students are being asked, give an example from your society of an event that had been put on media and it gained public attention.